In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Free Download Manager extension to Google. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're installing. Free Download Manager's browser extension helps your browser hand off downloads to the manager, so files start faster, can be paused and resumed, and stay organized. We'll add it to Google Chrome from the official Chrome Web Store to keep things secure and reliable. Start by opening Google Chrome and using the built-in search. You can click into the address bar at the top and type your query there. Chrome treats it like a search box. Type something like Chrome Web Store and press Enter. This is the safest way to find the official listing rather than following random links. Next, select the official Chrome Web Store result. You'll know you're in the right place when you see Google Store layout with a search field at the top and categories on the left. If you're using a work or school device that's managed, some extensions may be restricted. If that's the case, the store will show a notice. Once you're in the store, use its search bar to type Free Download Manager. You'll see a list of results. Look for the extension that clearly references Free Download Manager and has solid ratings and recent updates. Avoid similarly named lookalikes. Opening the listing is a good idea so you can scan the description, screenshots, and the permissions it requests. When you're confident you've got the right one, click Add to Chrome. If the button is grayed out, it usually means you're not in Chrome or your version is out of date. Updating Chrome or switching to a supported profile typically resolves that. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to add extension. This is where Chrome shows the permissions the extension needs to function, such as monitoring downloads so it can accelerate and manage them. Review the details, and if everything looks right, click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install it automatically. After installation, you'll see a brief confirmation message indicating the extension was added. From this point on, when you start a download, the extension can route it through Free Download Manager for better speed and control. If you don't immediately see an icon next to your address bar, don't worry, the extension is still installed and active. That's all there is to it. You searched for the Chrome Web Store, opened it, looked up Free Download Manager, clicked Add to Chrome, and confirmed by selecting Add Extension. Thanks for watching and enjoy smoother, more reliable downloads.